The pgEdge AI DBA Workbench was built to give you AI-enhanced monitoring and alerting for any Postgres server, not just pgEdge. And we mean any server, including Azure Database for Postgres Flex Server. Let me show you how. First, set up a firewall rule to allow your Workbench server to connect to the database, and use the server parameters to enable the pgstat statements extension. Then create a dedicated Postgres role for the Workbench. You could use an Entra ID token, but those expire after an hour, which isn't great for a long-running collector. Instead, connect as your admin user and run these commands. Once you've got all that, add it to your Workbench as a server. After a few minutes, the collector will scrape your Flex server instance, and you've got AI-powered metrics and alerting. But here's where it gets interesting. Meet Ellie, your built-in Postgres expert. Azure gives you Azure Monitor metrics and the built-in monitoring blade, charts and graphs that you still have to interpret yourself. Ellie reads your database metrics for you. When an alert fires, she doesn't just point at a spiking metric. She walks you through the diagnosis step by step, then guides you through the resolution, the exact explain to run, the index to add, the parameter to tune. It's like having a senior Postgres DBA sitting right next to your Flex server instance. And the best part, you don't have to migrate, re-platform, or rip anything out. Your Flex server database keeps doing what it already does well. Ellie and the Workbench just layer on top, giving you the kind of deep Postgres observability and tuning expertise that usually takes years to learn. It's completely open source, so you can run it yourself right now. Check the link in the description to find out more.